Everyone, my name is Jack, a technical support engineer at ZEGOCLOUD. In today's talk, I would like to introduce how to improve real-time voice quality. Your takeaway will include how to implement acoustic echo cancellation, automatic gain control, and automatic noise suppression by using ZEGOCLOUD's SDK. Before getting started, please allow me to introduce the features briefly. 1. Acoustic echo cancellation, also known as AEC in short. It can cancel out echoes in conversations. It uses voice signals of far end as references to filter out echoes. 2. Automatic gain control, also known as AGC in short. A near-end user might not be able to hear a far-end user clearly, since the far-end user does not always keep his mouth close enough to the microphone. This technology can maintain a suitable and stable voice volume of the far-end user. 3. Automatic noise suppression, also known as ANS in short. It can suppress ambient noise automatically, increasing signal-to-noise ratio to improve user experience. Now, let's get started. 1. How to use the AEC fixture. Firstly, call the Enable AEC method to enable the fixture. By default, it is enabled. Secondly, call the Enable Headphone AEC method for a headphone scenario. By default, it is disabled. You can also call Set AEC mode to change the AEC mode. AEC is a lossy algorithm, which means fidelity of voice signals might be compromised for cancelling out echo signals to some extent. There are 3 AEC modes, that is, aggressive, medium, and soft. The default AEC mode is aggressive. 2. How to use the AGC fixture. Call the Enable AGC method to enable the fixture. By default, it is enabled. The fixture will be automatically adjust the microphone volume to adapt to near and far sound pickups and keep the volume stable and suitable. 3. How to use the ANS fixture. Firstly, call the Enable ANS mode method to enable the fixture. By default, it is enabled. Secondly, call the Enabled Transient ANS method for transient state noise. You can also call Set ANS mode to change ANS mode. ANS is a lossy algorithm too. By default, the ANS mode is set to medium. In general, we recommend you to use default settings. There are just a couple of things to bear in mind. Firstly, call Enable Headphone AEC for voice chatting or playing team games, because normally users have their headphones on. Secondly, call Enable AGC with a false parameter to disable AGC for a music scenario, since it is required that music audio should be kept intact. To sum up, ZEGOCLOUD can help you to achieve outstanding voice chat quality With the acoustic fixture, in fact, you don't even need to call any method for common scenarios because they are already working automatically by default. You will only need to call one or two methods if you want to go for advanced usage. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention.